Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss breathing and exchange of gases top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. Gaseous exchange is held by blank. A. Osmosis. B. Simple diffusion. C. Facilitated diffusion. D. Co-transport. Answer. B. Simple diffusion. 2. Which part of the respiratory system is responsible for exchanging gases with the bloodstream? A. Trachea. B. Bronchi. C. Alveoli. D. Larynx. Answer. C. Alveoli. 3. Which gas is responsible for the majority of oxygen transport in the bloodstream? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. None of the above. Answer. A. Oxygen. 4. What is the term for the process by which oxygen is transported from the lungs to the body's tissues? A. Ventilation. B. Respiration. C. Gas exchange. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Respiration. 5. What is the primary site for exchange of gases in lungs? A. Larynx. B. Trachea. C. Alveoli. D. Bronchi. Answer. C. Alveoli. 6. Which muscle is primarily responsible for breathing in humans? A. Diaphragm. B. Intercostal muscles. C. Abdominal muscles. D. None of the above. Answer. A. Diaphragm. 7. Which gas is responsible for the majority of carbon dioxide transport in the bloodstream? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide. 8. What is the term for the volume of air that can be forcefully exhaled after a normal exhalation? A. Inspiratory reserve volume. B. Expiratory reserve volume. C. Residual volume. D. Vital capacity. Answer. B. Expiratory reserve volume. 9. Which part of the brainstem is responsible for regulating breathing? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Pons. C. Cerebellum. D. None of the above. Answer. A. Medulla oblongata. 10. Which of the following is not a step in the process of respiration? A. Breathing. B. Diffusion of oxygen from blood to tissues. C. Production of energy. D. Diffusion of oxygen from tissues to blood. Ans. A. Breathing. 11. The function of pneumataxic center is A. Regulate inspiration. B. Regulate rhythm. C. Increase heart rate. D. All of the above. Ans. A. Regulate inspiration. 12. The atmosphere contains CO2 by volume. A. 0.1%. B. 0.5%. C. 0.03%. D. 0.3%. Unsad face. C. 0.03%. 13. What is the term for the amount of air that is left in the lungs after a maximal exhalation? A. Inspiratory reserve volume. B. Expiratory reserve volume. C. Residual volume. D. Vital capacity. Answer. C. Residual volume. 14. Which gas is more soluble in blood, oxygen or carbon dioxide? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. They are equally soluble. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide. 15. What is the term for the maximum amount of air that can be exhaled after a maximum inhalation? A. Inspiratory reserve volume. B. Expiratory reserve volume. C. Residual volume. D. Vital capacity. Answer. D. Vital capacity. 16. The primary respiratory organ in humans is A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Kidneys. D. Heart. Answer. A. Lungs. 17. The process of exchange of gases between blood and body tissues is called A. External respiration. B. Internal respiration. C. Pulmonary ventilation. D. Alveolar respiration. Answer. B. Internal respiration. 18. The gas responsible for oxygen transport in the blood is A. Carbon dioxide, CO2. B. Nitrogen, N2. C. Oxygen, O2. D. Hydrogen, H2. Answer. C. Oxygen, O2. 19. Which part of the brain regulates the rate and depth of breathing? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Cerebellum. C. Hypothalamus. D. Cerebrum. Answer. A. Medulla oblongata. 20. During inhalation, the diaphragm A. Contracts and moves upwards. B. Contracts and moves downwards. C. Relaxes and moves upwards. D. Relaxes and moves downwards. Answer. B. Contracts and moves downwards. 21. The exchange of gases in the alveoli and blood capillaries is called A. Inhalation. B. Exhalation. C. Diffusion. D. Osmosis. Answer. C. Diffusion. 22. The waste gas produced during cellular respiration in humans is A. Oxygen O2. B. Carbon dioxide CO2. C. Nitrogen N2. D. Hydrogen H2. Answer. B. Carbon dioxide CO2. 23. In which form is most of the oxygen transported in the blood? A. Dissolved in plasma. B. Bound to hemoglobin. C. As bicarbonate ions. D. As carbonic acid. Answer. B. Bound to hemoglobin. 24. The process of breathing in aquatic animals is called A. Pulmonary respiration. B. Cutaneous respiration. C. Gills respiration. D. Tracheal respiration. Answer. C. Gills respiration. 25. Which gas is released as a byproduct of anaerobic respiration in muscles during strenuous exercise? A. Carbon dioxide CO2. B. Oxygen O2. C. Nitrogen N2. D. Lactic acid. Answer. D. Lactic acid. 26. Which of the following is not a part of the human respiratory system? A. Trachea. B. Alveoli. C. Liver. D. Bronchi. Answer. C. Liver. 27. During inhalation, what happens to the diaphragm? A. It relaxes. B. It contracts and moves downward. C. It contracts and moves upward. D. It remains stationary. Answer. B. It contracts and moves downward. 28. Total lung capacity of adults is A. 5.2-5.8 L. B. 5.2-5.8 milliliters. C. 52 to 58 milliliter. D. 15 to 20 milliliter. Answer. A. 5.2-5.8 L. 29. The vital capacity of lungs is A. 4 to 5 L. B. 3.5-4.5 L. C. 5 to 6 L. D. 4 to 7 L. Answer. B. 3.5-4.5 L. 30. During inspiration, air passes into lungs due to A. Increase in volume of thoracic cavity and fall in lung pressure. B. Fall in pressure inside the lungs. C. Increased volume of thoracic cavity. D. Muscular expansion of lungs. Answer. Sad face. A. Increase in volume of thoracic cavity and fall in lung pressure. 31. The amount of air that moves in and out of the lungs, with each normal inspiration and expiration is called A. Residual volume. B. Vital capacity. C. Tidal volume. D. Tidal capacity. Answer. Sad face. C. Tidal volume. 32. During inspiration, the diaphragm A. Relaxes to become dome-shaped. B. Contracts and flattened. C. Expands. D. Shows no change. Answer. Sad face. B. Contracts and flattened. 33. Which one has the lowest value? Exclamation mark. A. Tidal volume. B. Vital capacity. C. Inspiratory reserve volume. D. Expiratory reserve volume. Answer. Sad face. A. Tidal volume. 34. About 1200 milliliter of air left in lungs is called A. Tidal volume. B. Inspiratory reserve volume. C. Residual volume. D. Vital capacity. Answer. Sad face. C. Residual volume. 35. Which gas is primarily responsible for the feeling of breathlessness at high altitudes? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Helium. Answer. A. Oxygen. 36. What is the role of hemoglobin in the respiratory system? A. To transport oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues. B. To remove carbon dioxide from the body. C. To protect the lungs from infections. D. To regulate the rate of breathing. Answer. A. To transport oxygen from the lungs to the body tissues. 37. Write comparison of partial pressure of oxygen and partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the atmospheric air than in alveolar air is blank. A. Partial pressure of oxygen lesser, partial pressure of carbon dioxide higher. B. Partial pressure of oxygen higher, partial pressure of carbon dioxide lesser. C. Partial pressure of oxygen lesser, partial pressure of carbon dioxide higher. D. Partial pressure of oxygen lesser, partial pressure of carbon dioxide lesser. Answer. B. Partial pressure of oxygen higher, partial pressure of carbon dioxide lesser. 38. Carbon dioxide is blank times more soluble than oxygen. A. 20 to 25. B. 5 to 10. C. 15 to 20. D. 25 to 30. Answer. A. 20 to 25. 39. Partial pressure of oxygen in alveolar air is blank. A. 159 mm Hg. B. 90 mm Hg. C. 104 mm Hg. D. 45 mm Hg. Answer. C. 104 mm Hg. 40. On which of the following factors diffusion does not depend? A. Solubility of gases. B. Thickness of the respiratory membrane. C. Partial pressure difference. D. Molecular weight of gases. Answer. D. Molecular weight of gases. 41. Where are the lungs located? A. Inferior to the trachea. B. In the abdominal region. C. Anterior to the esophagus. D. In the mediastinum of the thoracic cavity. Answer. D. In the mediastinum of the thoracic cavity. 42. The pleural membrane is a mucous membrane. B. Cuboidal epithelium. C. Simple epithelium. D. Serous membrane. Answer. D. Serous membrane. 43. How many lobes are present in the right lung? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer. B. 3. 44. Which fissure separates the middle lobe from the inferior lobe in the right lung? A. Horizontal fissure. B. Oblique fissure. C. Sagittal fissure. D. Coronal fissure. Answer. B. Oblique fissure. 45. Which of the following is a chronic respiratory disorder characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways, often triggered by allergens or irritants? A. Pneumonia. B. Asthma. C. Tuberculosis. D. Emphysema. Answer. B. Asthma. 46. Which respiratory disorder is primarily caused by a Mycobacterium bacterium and often affects the lungs? A. Asthma. B. Emphysema. C. Tuberculosis. D. COPD. Answer. C. Tuberculosis. 47. Which of the following is a major cause of both emphysema and chronic bronchitis? A. Viral infection. B. Allergic reaction. C. Smoking. D. Bacterial infection. Answer. C. Smoking. 48. What is the term for the inflammation of the bronchial tubes? A. Pleurisy. B. Bronchitis. C. Pneumonia. D. Asthma. Answer. B. Bronchitis. 49. What is the term for a condition where air enters the space between the lung and chest wall, causing the lung to collapse? A. Pneumothorax. B. Pleurisy. C. Bronchitis. D. Pulmonary edema. Answer. A. Pneumothorax. 50. What is the term for the abnormal and excessive accumulation of fluid in the lungs? A. Pulmonary embolism. B. Pneumonia. C. Pulmonary edema. D. Pleurisy. Answer. C. Pulmonary edema. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.